Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. Dear cadets, I hope you will be safe and sound with your families at your houses. Dear cadets, today we are going to start our next lecture, that is spinal cord. Dear cadets, spinal cord is an extension of medulla oblongata. Dear cadets, in a previous lecture, we have studied that medulla oblongata is the posterior part of our brain, and it is connected with the spinal cord. So, actually, spinal cord is an extension of the medulla oblongata. It is the part of medulla oblongata. It is connected with the medulla oblongata, and it runs along with the backbone, along with our back toward the lower part. So it runs backwards inside the backbone up to its lower end. Cricket's spinal cord is actually a narrow thread-like structure, and it is enclosed in. It is protected by our backbone. It is also made up of interneurons. Cricket's we have studied that brain is composed of the trillions of interneuron. Same is the case of spinal cord. Spinal cord is also made up of interior neurons. Spinal cord creates a link between brain and different body parts. Its function of spinal cord is to create a link between our body parts and brain. It also controls some reflex actions. What is reflex action? Immediate and involuntary actions, and some other involuntary actions. Here, cadets, the main function of the spinal cord is to link our body parts to our brain, but it also performs some other function such as reflex action. The cadets, reflex action is actually uh, an immediate and involuntary action. For example, we touch, our hand touches a hot object. So we quickly, immediately, and without thinking, we pull our hand back. This action is known as reflex action. Without thinking and without any late, without wasting our time, we pull our hand back. This action is known as reflex action, and it is controlled by our spinal cord. Okay, next we have uh, peripheral nervous system. We have studied previously the central nervous system. Brain and spinal cord were two main components of central nervous system. Now we are going to study the second type of nervous system, which is a peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system. Dear cadets, peripheral nervous system, which is also abbreviated as PNS, consists of a network of nerves which are spread in the body to connect all body parts to the central nervous system. Dear cadets, actually, our central nervous system is composed of brain and spinal cord. These are two main components of the central nervous system. Now, how our central nervous system is connected with our body? This is a question which comes in our mind. So, peripheral is a nervous system which connects our body parts to central nervous system. But how? Peripheral nervous system consists of composed of nerves, network of nerves. Nerves are present or spread all in the all parts of our body, from foot to head region, from one arm to other arm. Each and every part of our body contains nerves. So these network of nerves carry the messages from one body part to central nervous system, and this network of nerves is also known as peripheral nervous system. Cadets, the nerves which arise. There are two types of nerves. There are two main types of nerves. The nerves which arise from our brain, are called cranial nerves. Because our brain is enclosed in cranium, bony skull, so the nerves which arise from our brain are known as cranial nerves. The nerves which arise from spinal cord are called spinal nerve. Because the nerves which arise from our spinal cord are called spinal nerves. There are 12 pair of there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. जिनके हमारी जो cranial nerve है दिमाग से निकलने वाली, उनके 12 जोड़े हैं, and 31 pairs of spinal nerves in human body. और जो स्पाइनल कार्ड में से जो कि हमारी बैकबोन के अंदर होती है, उसमें से जो निकलती हैं नर्व्स, उनको हम कहते हैं स्पाइनल नर्व्स, और उनके 31 पेयर होते हैं. It's enough for today. Stay blessed. Allah.